Hello there again guys, this is BNFat Viker. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon to continue to receive all tech gadgets reviews, tech gadgets tutorials, and even those travel adventure tips. Okay, actually, I'm preparing for my first live stream in the future. Okay, I'm prepared for that one. But before I do that one, I need to get all tools, how to start this live streaming, and what are the tools that I need to prepare. Okay, again, thanks and shout out to Akimain TV and Kuya Trust, okay, for all those support, okay, to my YouTube channel. Continue until I get my banana. Okay, so now I got my live stream or LS tools and gadget which we're going to unbox. Okay, this was recently delivered and soon I will use this one. Okay, so join me. Okay, these are my live stream gadgets or tools that I'm going to use soon, okay, to join with you guys. Okay, so join me, let's open this out. Okay, what's inside? What are those interesting tools that I'm going to use in our future YouTube live streaming of BNFat Viker? Okay, so join me, let's get it on. Open up this box. Okay. Okay guys, this is my YouTube live stream gadgets and tools that I'm going to use soon. So join me, open this up and let's see what's the content of these tools or gadgets in. Okay, as you can see, still sealed, okay, straight from the shippers. Okay, medyo atat lang po. Okay, baka masira. So we don't know what's inside, what kind of tools. Okay, I just saw this is quite famous here in Vietnam, this particular live stream. Okay, most of the Vietnamese are using this one, and then I realized it can be used during my grand launching of live stream soon in YouTube. Okay, ika maiba naman. Okay, ayaw magpabukas mga kabayan. Okay, so there you go. Oh, so as you can see, sorry, there's a lot of things inside this live stream set of gadget or set of tools. Okay, so let's do it one by one. Okay, okay, first thing, the mic pop shield. Okay, okay, look like filter to your mic. Okay, and let's open up later one by one. Oh, there is a JBL included. JBL Harman. Okay guys, this is a JBL Harman headset for live streaming. And oh, the microphone stand. Okay, the microphone stand. So parang pang DJ na po ito or announcer ng Bombo Radio. Okay, and then there are some mini tripod for cell phone. Definitely for live stream you really will need the cell phone. Okay, we'll try to open up. Okay, some wirings. I think this is for mic or for the head unit. Okay, and there's some additional adapters It's one of the good things. This was quite famous in Vietnam also. The Takstar microphone, okay, for your recording or live streaming, okay. So we'll try to open later. And this is the main event. This will be the main tool or the main head unit to make those magical live streaming. Okay, this is the Upod Pro by SAIGON. Okay, this is the controller that will do all those crazy things. Okay, to make the live streaming lively. Okay, so that's it. So we'll start opening it up. So what's inside? Let's start with the Takstar microphone. Okay, this is the K200. Let's see what's the model. Yeah, this is the Takstar K200. Okay, let's open this up. As you can see, the warranty of this Takstar microphone for live streaming. How it look like? Okay. Oops. Okay, guys. This is the Takstar microphone and some cover on it. Okay. So pang professional na po ito. Okay. So this is really good. Hope I can set it up soon. Okay. Microphone for live streaming. Next is, of course, just a cable. Okay, it's a cable. But first, let's open this Harman JBL, okay, headset. What does it look like? It's also being used for the live streaming. Okay, it's included in the set. Yes, it's a color black. Okay, so tikdikan na ito mga kabayan sa pag-YouTube natin. So this is kinakarir na po ito. So may pang live streaming tools na po tayo. Okay, yan po yung JBL Harman headset. Second is this pop shield for your microphone, okay, to do some filtering and some unwanted noise. Okay, how it look like? Let's see. So parang tayo nasa studio mismo. Okay, ito po. Okay, so here's the pop shield, the mic here, and then start recording, maybe singing, karaoke, but for me it's for the live streaming, to make my voice like a bedroom voice. I hope so. Okay, this is the microphone pop shield. Why pop shield? I don't know. Okay. Sobrang dami. Okay. Of course, you know the tripod for the cell phone. It's very simple. Next is the microphone recording stand. Okay, it's a foldable. This is a professional series microphone stand. Some screws, big screws to lock and unlock your microphone. Okay, so this one now. So you will try to mount mount this up somewhere here, the mic here, put the pop shield, and start doing live streaming like a radio announcer. So this is the way how you do it, professional way. Okay, this is the professional recording microphone stand. See, so I would like to focus on the main event. The main event of this particular gadget. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the guy, this is the man. This will make your live streaming crazy and make it exciting. Okay, let's open this up. This is the SAIGON Upod Pro. Okay, I know all those professional DJ or professional recording artists or some famous live streaming vloggers, they know this one. Okay, it depends on the brand, but this one is quite famous here in Vietnam. Okay. Okay. You can see some stickers, some manual. Inside warranty card for this SAIGON. Okay, a CD is this still needed? I think do we still use CD? Okay, I don't know. And some instruction manual. Okay, how are you going to connect this gadget for live streaming? Okay, those are the things. And some tech support if there's a problem. Okay, so let's check this out. This is the one that I really would like to see. Okay. This is the SAIGON Upod Pro for live streaming. Okay. Okay, there's some English here, some cover. So there are lots of controls here. Okay, there's some lot of controls, effects. Okay, look like a portable DJ controller. You can change your sound effects like clapping, shouting, everything. Okay, you can change your voice. Okay, maybe girl to boy, boy to girl. Okay, even robot. So you can do a lot of things on this one while doing live streaming and control the live stream. Okay, there are some ports here. You would like to do some additional instrument. You can plug it in. Okay, the mic, definitely. This one, okay, and all types of connection going to your cell phone, going to your laptop, okay, your headset, your speaker, everything are here. There are some queuing as well, queuing button, controller, a lot of things. Don't worry, I will make a separate tutorial videos for this SAIGON Upod Pro so that you know how to use this one. Since this video is for unboxing, so we'll just do a basic, a glance of what's the basic function of this. Included on this box for the SAIGON Upod Pro are all the connectors. Okay, all the cables and connectors. Okay, so that's the content. That's the content of this particular unboxing for not a basic. I think this is a more professional tool in doing any live stream. Okay, not only in YouTube and the rest of group or apps that you are doing some live stream. This is which I found the best as of now in the market. Okay, so continue to support me, continue to support VNFAT Biker. Okay, follow and subscribe, and soon join me in my live stream. Okay, in my launching my live stream using these tools. Okay, thank you again and have a nice weekend. And